Meet Dify, a clean, open-source alternative to LangChain and Flowise. Built for developers and teams who value simplicity, control, and speed. Unlike LangChain, Dify bundles end-to-end tools, orchestration, UI, and hosting. Compared to Flowise, Dify offers full infrastructure and production-ready features out of the box. Open-source licensing means no vendor lock-in and full customization. Here's a short code snippet showing Dify's minimal setup. Install, configure, and run in minutes. Simple CLI and clear APIs. Dify scales with your infrastructure from local dev to cloud clusters. Security first, role-based access, audit logs, and data residency options. Community-driven, active contributors, plugins, and continuous improvements. Key benefits: faster setup, lower costs, full control, and enterprise features. Try Dify today. Visit Dify.ai, explore the repo, and join the community.